Hello, this is question number 1 on part A of the exam, and I will be using the second option for this problem. And while taking the exam, unfortunately, I read the question a bit too quickly and missed the word, quote, no in the question. Therefore, I read the question as, inflation has an effect on the nominal rate of interest. If this were the correct wording, my answer of true would be correct because of the Fisher equation, which I will explain in the next video of the correct answer. I understood how to approach the problem, just misread the wording. Hello, I'll be discussing question number 1 on part A of the exam and how to obtain the correct solution. And the nominal interest rate is defined as the interest rate before taking inflation into account. And so I would like to describe the Fisher equation, which estimates the relationship between the nominal and real interest rates under inflation. And according to the Fisher equation, the nominal interest rate equals the real interest rate plus inflation rate. Therefore, as the inflation rate fluctuates, the nominal interest rate will also change. The correct answer is false because the inflation does indeed have an effect on the nominal rate of interest, which I understood but misread the wording of the question in the exam, and I missed the word no in the question. And now I will discuss question number 10 on part A of the exam. And I was extremely close to solving the correct final answer, but I did not add 3 to my final answer due to Microsoft Excel reporting the kurtosis already netted. And so Microsoft Excel has a unique function and useful function called curt. And for this specific problem on the exam, I took the stock returns total for the specified time period between 2000 and 2009. And so I scrolled down and started at 2009 all the way through December, and copy this by clicking the shift key or highlighting it, and then scrolling all the way through 2000. And then once I have this data, I'm going to press Control C to copy it, and then I will place it in the VAR workbook that we went over through class, the template, and through 2000. So Control C to copy it, and then in the returns just Control V simply to place it. And also I will filter the returns from smallest to largest. And now, as you can see in the returns, I have all my returns for the specified 10-year period between 2000 and 2009. And during the exam, I clicked equals curt, which is the kurtosis function, and then I highlighted all the data points. And just a simple way to do that is shift control. It highlights all the returns. And as you can see, the returns are already labeled as VAR data returns, and so I know what I'm taking the kurtosis of. And if I click enter, that will give me the kurtosis of 0.90, and to 2 basis points we could just click Alt H0, Alt H9, Alt H9, Alt H9 to get rid of the decimals. And the 2 basis points I entered 0.90 for the kurtosis during the exam. However, Microsoft Excel does indeed already report the kurtosis function netted, and so I would have to add 3 to the final solution, which would have given me 3.90 kurtosis, which would be the correct answer.